Hello guys and welcome to my channel. This is Cherry from Cherry Beauty Stop, and this is your stop for all the things beauty. Here on my channel guys, I unbox and review makeup. I do tutorials for makeup and beauty products, and also recently I started into vlogs including makeup I choose for various events. I grew up watching makeup videos, wishing I could have makeup for my own. I never believed that makeup was about changing who you are. I believe that makeup is about enhancing beauty you already have inside. And I believe any effort you do for your beauty, whether it's health and nutrition, beauty products, makeup, or anything else, only helps to improve your confidence. Now I want to share the love of makeup with all of you guys. So check out my channel guys, and if you like what you see, like and subscribe and join the community we're building in here of people who loves makeup. And always remember that there's always someone who loves you guys. Shalom.